And before we go on further into other verses, let's address three questions that may come to mind for someone reading these verses and thinking why Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has taken these oaths. Like, why does Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala even need to take an oath? So scholars explain that indeed Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala does not need to take the help of an oath to substantiate His word. But this is done perhaps in keeping with the common practice among humans that whenever we want to emphasize the truth of a statement, we take oath. And that's a way for us to make someone else believe what we are saying is true. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has also taken oaths more in line with how humans behave, so that we understand when He takes oath on something that He is emphasizing the importance of that particular thing. So that's one question that you may have in mind. Another question would be, when you take an oath upon something, it is generally more great and more sacred than yourself. So when Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala takes an oath on anything, how is that even possible? Simply because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the greatest. And again, one of the ways to understand it is that when Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala takes an oath on a creation, He's actually taking an oath indirectly upon His own power to create something, an object of value or respect. So it is an indirect reference to His own power. And then the third question that may arise is, we know in the Islamic Sharia, a person cannot swear by anything except Allah. Then how is it acceptable for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to take an oath on something else? And again, the answer lies in comparing oneself to the authority of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is inappropriate. There is no analogy or equality between Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and His creation. So the divine prohibition to swear by something or someone other than Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala applies to us, but does not apply to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala Himself. He can take an oath on anything He wishes.